Hello everyone, welcome to Mary's Creative Decor. If you're a subscriber, I want to thank you for watching. And if this is your first time stopping by, make sure you become a part of the Creative Decor family. Hit the subscribe button and keep watching.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Mary's Creative Decor. This is the first week of January, and before we start on our first tutorial of the year, I want to take a moment out to thank all my subscribers. I want to thank you for all your support through 2023. Now to let you all know what's happening. I know it's been a while since my last tutorial, and I've been doing less tutorials. And the reason for that is bringing this great content to you all is very expensive. So because of that, to continue to bring you all these great tutorials, I need to make partners. Now, I do have enough subscribers for partners, but I can't seem to get those watch hours. Every 90 days, you need to have 4,000 watch hours, and I continually fall short. 3,600 hours, 3,800 hours, even got to over 3,900 hours, but can't quite reach 4,000. So I need you all to watch my tutorials just a little bit longer. I know it's easy to fast forward to the next step and watch a little bit of that and fast forward to the next step, but I really need you all to support me and watch these tutorials in their entirety to get those watch hours. Again, I want to thank you, my subscribers, and thank all the people that stopped by for their support. And now we want to get ready for our first tutorial of 2024. So here is my first project for the year 2024. I have been asked by a church friend of mine to create a guest book for her birthday party. So I ordered this guest book with a pen from Amazon. And I will leave a link to it in the description box below. Her colors are gold and bling. She wanted everything blinged out with cream, gold, and bling. So, of course, I'm going to jazz this book up. Now, here I have some single gems, and they're in a smaller size. I'll be using some of those. I have here some chain bling. I'll be using this, along with some more bling that I picked up from Amazon. Once again, I'll leave a link to everything in the description box. And I have this gold blinged out sheet that I got from Amazon. I have my E6000 glue along with my hot glue gun. So we want to get started. The first thing I want to do is show you, I had some pictures of her blown up. This is her 60th birthday party, and she wants everything glam, gold, and cream. So I'm going to start this with the 5 pictures I have. I'm going to use this one with a crown. This would be the perfect picture for the front of the guest book. For the rest of the video, I'm not going to do talking. I'm just going to go ahead, and I'm sure you all can follow along. If you have any questions, make sure you leave them in the comment section below.
Now I want to place everything back in the box for safekeeping while I transport it to her. I do hope she'll like it, but let me know, what do you think? I also hope this has inspired you to be creative for yourself or a friend.
This concludes my video. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. Don't forget to watch as much of the video as possible. Give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you all for watching and have a wonderful, wonderful day. I'll see you in my next video. Bye now.